Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to be loading a 6-dasher ladder test. And I am going to be using Alliant Reloader TS 15.5, which I hear great things about for the 6-dasher. And I'm running this ladder test to compare it to the ladder test that I've done for Varget powder. And Varget's widely considered the gold standard for 6-dasher precision hand loading, and it's the most used powder in the precision rifle series competitions for 6-dasher. And I'm hoping that it does a lot better than TS 15.5 because this is $80 or $90 a bottle per pound versus 60 to 65 for the Varget. But supposedly I get an extra 50 to 100 feet per second out of TS 15.5 than I do for the same charge of Varget. And the sweet spot, according to online research, is around 33.5 grains, which gives you 3,000 to 3,050 feet per second, which is smoking. So I'm going to change up my order of operations today also. So I've been worried about neck tension. I've been geeking out on neck tension. And so what I've done is I've got my L.E. Wilson expanding neck mandrel. And so I have these totally prepped, once fired 6mm cases that I have annealed and resized and trimmed and primed with small rifle Magnum primers. And right before I charge it, I am going to use my expanding neck mandrel on the case, and then I'm going to charge it, and then I'm going to come over here to my arbor press with my L.E. Wilson inline bullet seating die, and I am going to seat them to 1.790 inches case overall length, and that will be 20 thousandths of an inch off the lands of my Masterpiece Arms Pro 2 6-dasher based on a soft seat jam. So I got my scale calibrated. I'll start and show you the whole process. Okay, I got everything set up with my inline bullet seater. I broke out my micrometer and my comparator. I do base to ogive measurements for case overall length. 1.790, which is 20 thousandths of an inch off the lands of my Masterpiece Arms Pro 2 6-dasher. I got my auto trickler tuned in. So I'm going to take this case. I'm going to use dry lube since I'm immediately sitting a bullet. Just a little bit of lube right there of the graphite kind. Right up. I only have to size the neck. Put it in there. Add my Lyman powder drop. Drop this time 33.7 grains of Alliant TS 15.5. Seat a bullet. Slab it in my L.E. Wilson inline bullet seater. Use my K&M arbor press. Seat the bullet. Bada bang. Repeat 50 times for the ladder test.